Hello friends, welcome back. This is Ved Pathade and today we will study about the birth control methods. The birth control methods are also called as the contraception methods. The prevention of pregnancy in women is called as contraception, and any devices or chemicals which prevents pregnancy are called as contraceptives. There are 4 types of contraceptive devices or methods. The first one is the barrier method. The physical devices such as condoms in males is covered on penis, which prevents the sperm from getting fused or fertilized with ova. While in females, diaphragm is covered on vagina. Diaphragm is also like condoms only, and it is covered on vagina in female reproductive system. So during sexual intercourse, it prevents the ova from getting fertilized with sperm. Then second technique or method is the chemical method. The females actually uses 2 types of pills or tablets. The first one is the oral pills and the second one is the vaginal pills. The oral pills are made up of specific hormones which prevents release of eggs into the oviduct or fallopian tube during the sexual intercourse, while the vaginal pills contain chemicals which kill the sperms which entered the female reproductive system during the sexual intercourse. Students, actually I wanted to tell you one thing, that I have provided some notes about this topic, so no need to pause and note down the points. You can simply go in the description and take the notes. So moving further, the third method is the IUCD, means intrauterine contraceptive devices, or copper T. The use of IUCD is done by placing the copper T inside the uterus, and this prevents the implantation of fertilized egg in the uterus. Surgical method, the last method. Actually, this method is permanent, and once this method is done by an individual, he or she can't reproduce throughout the life. In males, a small portion of vas deferens is cut by an operation and both the cut ends are tied properly. This blocks the way of the sperms, preventing the fertilization. And in females, a small portion of oviduct is cut and both the cut ends are tied properly. This prevents the egg from entering into the oviduct. Actually, both the procedures are almost same, just the organs are different, means first one, the males, the organs are different, and the females organs are different, but the procedures are same. So friends, these were the birth control techniques. I have provided notes in the description. I request you to please refer those notes.